confused man and a lonely person. And the reason why I believe is because nobody really understood Michael Jackson. And he went through hell. Anyhow, he's in heaven now. He's definitely in a better place. From an impersonator moonwalking to cities across Asia where his diehard fans woke up.
Tatangkalikin pa rin ang kanyang
In Japan, where Jackson was extremely popular, the chief cabinet secretary said he was sorry that he passed away. Michael's passing triggered a global grief, last seen after the death of Pope John Paul II in April 2005, of Princess Diana and Mother Teresa of Calcutta in 1997, and of another music legend, Elvis Presley, in 1977. He also died of heart failure at the age of 42.
Michael Jackson was a trailblazer in the music scene, a uniter of black and white, a legend whose career had both ups and unfortunately many downs.
Though he remained an enigma to his fans, it's clear the king of pop left an indelible legacy. We look back at the